क्या अरिजीत सिंह का रिटायरमेंट है सिर्फ 1 साल के लिए? क्या अरिजीत सिंह का रिटायरमेंट नहीं है परमानेंट? आपको बता दें, कल अरिजीत सिंह ने सोशल मीडिया स्टोरी के जरिए अपना रिटायरमेंट किया अनाउंस। तो वहीं पर अरिजीत रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम प्लेबैक सिंगिंग इज ओनली टेम्परेरी एंड द सिंगर हैज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डेड टू दीज रूमर्स। पूरी एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री और अरिजीत सिंह के फैंस इन इंडिया एंड अक्रॉस द ग्लोब हो गए शॉक when composer Arijit Singh announced his retirement from playback singing on Tuesday. In a shocking turn of events, he took to his social media and announced that he will not be taking any more new playback singing assignments. However, new reports about his future projects have already started emerging. एक मीडिया पोर्टल ने एक सोर्स को कोट किया और लिखा, अरिजीत इज गोइंग टू बी बिजी विद हिज डेब्यू फिल्म एज अ डायरेक्टर. ही इज बीन वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट इट फॉर लॉन्ग एंड दैट रिक्वायर्ड हिज टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स. Among the flood of offers, he would not have been able to do it. He will complete his director duties. This is more like a break for a year or so. While the report claims that Arijit's retirement from playback singing is only temporary, the singer has not responded to these rumors. Previously, he took to his X handle to explain why he took this step at such a high point in his career. Arijit revealed that the move was neither impulsive nor driven by a single incident. Arijit ने लिखा था, "There is not just one reason for this, there are multiple factors and I have been contemplating this for quite some time. Ultimately, I have mustered the necessary courage." इस क्रिएटिव रेस्टलेसनेस के बारे में अरिजीत ने ये भी ऐड किया था, वन ऑफ द रीजंस इज क्वाइट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. आई टेंड टू लूज इंटरेस्ट क्विकली, व्हिच इज व्हाई आई फ्रीक्वेंटली ऑल्टर द अरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ माय सॉन्ग्स एंड परफॉर्म देम लाइव. He then made a striking admission, "So here is the truth. I've grown weary. I need to explore different music to thrive." Arijit also pointed his desire to make space for new talent in the industry, writing, "Another factor is my eagerness to hear new singers who can inspire me genuinely." Meanwhile, Mathrubhumi from Battle of Galwan stands as Arijit Singh's most recent playback release. While details of his upcoming project remains under the wraps, the singer is expected to continue performing live on focusing on independent music, signaling a new, more personal phase of his artistic journey. तो वहीं पर अरिजीत further clarified in the tweets that he won't stop making music. Just to be clear, that I won't stop making music. When a fan asked him to justify your inappropriate decision, he replied, "Justify my inappropriate decision?" In another tweet, he added, "I still have to finish some pending commitments. Will finish them, so you might get some releases this year." अब तो ये वक्त ही बताएगा कि अरिजीत सिंह का ये ब्रेक टेम्परेरी है या परमानेंट.